Names are Ndawa Jackson. I'm the lecturer for all the counselors. Today we're going to look at the introduction part. So in the introduction part, we are going to look at the psycho and the social and also the counseling part itself and HIV/AIDS. And then on the introduction part, we are going to look at what a counselor does on the daily basis. We're going to look at also what is counseling. So on the introduction part, psychosocial counseling is a service provided by a skilled professional counselor it might be to an individual, family, or group for the purpose of improving well-being, elevating to distress, and enhancing coping skills. When we say it's a professional counselor, it's a skilled professional counselor, not everyone is a counselor. You must be trained as a counselor. You must have a skill as a counselor. So we are going to look at the part of the psycho. When you say psycho, psycho means mind. Then social, these are the issues which a counselor which a counselor normally tackle on the daily basis. What are these issues? These are family problems, depression, anxiety, substance abuse, sexual abuse, and also violence. These are the major issues which a counselor normally face on the daily basis. Then we're going to also say what is counseling. Counseling is a collaborative effort between a counselor and a client. It's a collaborative effort between a counselor and a client. So when you say it's a collaborative effort, it's a relationship that is between a counselor and a client, where they communicate with the issues which are being affect the particular person whom a counselor is counseling that particular person. It is not only on HIV only issue now. It might be that particular person has come with a problem of depression, or maybe grief, or maybe loss, or anxiety of something, or substance abuse, or sexual abuse. These are the issues which normally affects the community, or an individual, or a family. And then we are going to look at also what does a counselor do on the daily basis. On the daily basis, a counselor must collect information. In short, a counselor must not be behind. He must make sure that on the daily basis he has information on what is affecting people. He must be ahead of everyone, because a counselor plays a vital role in society. In short, he has a pivotal role to play in society, because it's the one that helps people who are depressed, people who are in violence, people who have got anxiety spirit, where they are in a problem that is affecting them. So you as a counselor on the daily basis, you must correct information. If they ask you a question as a counselor, what does a counselor do on the daily basis? You must know that on the daily basis, a counselor must correct information. A counselor must correct information. If they ask you what is counseling, counseling is a collaborative effort between a counselor and the client. So when you say on that particular moment, when you talk about collaborative effort, this is where you as a counselor, you are getting information from that client whom you are counseling. And then we're going to look at also what is the role of the counselor. What is the role of the counselor? The role of the counselor, therefore, is to help client to develop their own understanding on their situation. What is the role of the counselor? The role of the counselor is to help the client to develop, to understand their situation. You as a counselor, you have to develop skills that will make that client you are you are counseling to understand the situation that they are in, to understand the role that they are in, so that they must face that particular situation that they are in. So you as a counselor, the role is to make sure that you understand. You must make sure that you understand your client's problem. You must make sure that you are there for them. You must make sure that you find a solution that will help them in that particular situation that they are in. So as a counselor, your role is to help them understand their situation. That is what a counselor has role on the daily basis also. So we have looked at one, what is counseling. We have also looked at what does a counselor do on the daily basis. We have also looked at the introduction part. I've said that introduction part, counseling is a service. Counseling is a service provided by a skilled professional counselor. Not everyone is a counselor. We have got much marriage counseling out there. We have got other counselors that deals with cultural issues. But a counselor is a skilled professional personnel. So these are the introduction that we have looked at about. We have also talked about psycho issues. So when you talk about psycho, deals with the mind. Social, these are the issues such as family problem, depression, anxiety, substance abuse, sexual abuse, and also violence. These are the issues which a counselor tackles. These are the major issues which a counselor tackles on the daily basis once he has faced this situation. I think for today, we'll end here on the introduction part. Thank you very much. This has been Mr. Ndawa, your lecturer in psychosocial. Thank you.